Another day, another real world test. Today we're going to be doing it on the new OnePlus Nord. It's OnePlus's kind of return to the budget market that they started in, so kind of curious about that, as I'm sure you guys are as well. But I'm going to be using this phone like it's my normal phone throughout the day. My SIM card's in here even, and I'm going to use all the same apps and everything else that I normally would. We'll check in on the battery throughout the day, and also I'll take photos on it and some of its competitors and put those up on the screen so that you guys can kind of see how it compares. First things first though, I need coffee.
Coffee. Check. Real quick, I want to talk about these, right? These are the new OnePlus Buds. They're relatively cheap. They're under $80. And for truly wireless earbuds, that's really great. They also sound really good, I have to admit. I have one problem with them, though. Everyone's going to ask you how you got blue AirPods. Okay, decided to switch it up a little bit instead of the coffee shop that I usually go to that's right next to my house. Figured I would come and work for a little bit here at this park. This park also happens to have a little bit of a beach. Well, a New York City beach, I guess. But it does have a nice view. Okay, it looks like it's about to storm. I've been here for a bit working. Gonna see if I can make it to the studio before it downpours on me. But real quick, let's check on the battery like we do. It is 4:02 p.m. and we are at 62%. Of course, it only rains long enough for while I'm rushing from the park to get under something. And as soon as I get under that thing, the sun comes out. Just so that my ride over here is extra hot. Good stuff. So, if you watched my last episode on this, you'll know that this is the air conditioning that two buddies of mine, Mr. Mobile, Michael Fisher, and David Amell from Android Authority, who I share this space with, installed. But this place is huge, and that one air conditioning is just not enough, and definitely not enough for my desk, which is way over here. So, took matters into my own hands. Because I just had surgery and I can't install the second air conditioning that needs to go there, and I'm waiting for them to still do it. How about this guy? And I've never bought a fan that is this shape. Apparently the reason that it's shaped kind of like a hamster wheel is the fact that it's super powerful, which we need in here, and it's also supposedly really quiet. Okay. Power. Okay. That's not too loud, actually. Been working here for a bit, but now I'm gonna go actually meet a couple of my friends around the corner for a much needed drink. But let's check in on the battery like we do. It is 6:38 p.m., obviously, and we are at 36%. Hi, friends.
It's just natural. Act natural. Natural.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers!
Okay, met my friends Jean and Olivia here for dinner. But we saw the sunset happening over there, and so we decided we're probably gonna go check that out. So real quick before we head over there, let's check in on the battery as we do. It is 8:11 p.m. and we are at 28%. Okay, calling it a night. Let's check in on the battery. It is 10:24 p.m. and we are at 17%. And here is my usage for my battery as well as my screen on time and all that fun stuff. And also here it is for another day that wasn't today, just to give you more of an idea of how the battery lasts. Overall though, I do have to say, I do enjoy the phone. It feels good, and like, even though it is a cheaper model of a OnePlus and it has that like lower chipset than like the newer OnePluses have, Carl Pei even said that that lower chipset is part of the reason why they were able to get the price down on this particular model. It feels just as snappy. You wouldn't know that it had a chipset that wasn't the top of the line, and so that's important. Also, the camera's not bad. I mean, considering in this price range, I do think it's unfair because things like the Pixel 3a exists, and there's gonna be a 4a probably soon. We'll see how well they price that though. So it does have some stiff competition when it comes to the camera. But overall, I don't know, a nice device. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Love to hear from you guys. Also, again, I did this kind of more vlog-like. Let me know if you guys think that that's okay. Do you enjoy that? Do you want me to keep them like this? Maybe even do more of like a story as opposed to all about the phone? I just kind of enjoy doing it like that, but would love to know what you guys think. And also, would you let me know if you'd be interested in me doing it on something that's not a phone? Like a laptop, like an electric bicycle. There's a couple of new cameras coming out. Do you want me to try on those? Like the new Canon R5 is coming here in a couple of days. I've got that coming. And then there's now a new Sony camera that's coming out in about a month from now, etc. Just let me know. Again, would love to hear from you guys. If you like this video though, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also check out the rest of the channel. If you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to the word subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always though, regardless, thanks for watching.